Hello friends, today's subject Maths chapter 1 rational number. We will study rational numbers between two rational numbers. So suppose we take two rational number 1 and 5. So anybody say write between that three number you can easily write 2, 3 and 4 are between 1 and 5. This is very simple. But suppose it is said 1 and 2 and say that write the rational number between 1 and 2. So first I will teach you an average method. So we know that average of any two number will lie between them. And so 1 and 2, its average we take out. So 1 plus 2 by 2, it is 3 by 2. So we have the number 1, 3 by 2, 2. Now again we want 3 number. Then 1 and 3 by 2 average we take. So 1 plus 3 by 2 by 2. And 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So here we take the LCM. Then it will be 2 plus 3 by 2 and this denominator 2 will come together. And so 1, then 3 by 2 and here again LCM we take, then 2 to the 4. So 3 plus 4, 2 into 2. And here 2. So we have 1, 5 by 4, 3 by 2, 7 by 4 and 2. So like this way two numbers average we get and we can get the rational number between two numbers. But suppose yet we don't want to do average method. Then we want to write three numbers between 1 and 2. So we know the decimals number. The decimal number 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.75. These all lies between 1 and 2. So any we can write because 12 by 10 that is fraction format only. 13 by 10 that is fraction. And so we can write so many numbers between 1 and 2 like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.7. Somebody has a number between 3 and 7. That 5 numbers, so between 3 and 7 you can write 3.6, 4.8, 5.9, 6.75. Any numbers we can write and we can write the rational numbers between these. But these are given the complete integers, so we can do very easily. But instead of integer, it is given into the fraction format like 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. And say that write between them the numbers. So 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 are the two fractions. Both are the common denominator. And so 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 between that numbers you can write 2 by 2. 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. So 3 number we got. Now instead of 3 number it is said 10 numbers, then what to do? Then 1 by 2 also it is equivalent, its equivalent will be 10 by 20. We simplify. And 5 by 2 its equivalent will be 50 by 20. And so 10 to 50 now. 10 to 50 between that 11, 12. So you have 11 by 20. 12 by 20 till 49 by 20. And so any 10 numbers you can write. Now suppose it is asked a 100 number, then what can you do? 100 by 200 and 500 by 200. So like this way in the like fractions also you can do. Now suppose unlike fractions are given, means 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 and said that write the 5 numbers between these two numbers. Then what to do? So first by LCM we will make the denominator equal. So 4 and 6 LCM is the 12. 4 and 6 LCM we find out. 2 2s are 3s are 2 1s are 3s are 3 1s are. And so LCM equals to 12. So we will make both the denominator 12, then 3 by 4 into 3 and here 5 by. So here it will be 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. So now we want to write 5 numbers. Here we are not getting yet 5 numbers. Then what we will do? 90 by 120, 110 keep, and 90 to 100 we are getting 10 numbers. 91 by 120, 92 by 120, 93 by 120. Like this way we can write till 99 by 120.